Hi, I am Dr. Sapna, fertility consultant at Aishwarya Fertility, HSR Layout, Bangalore. Today I will be discussing on the male fertility issues. When a couple comes to us for the evaluation of infertility, we investigate the couples both, the male and the female. Now coming to the male factor, about 30% of the infertility couples have the problems related to whole and soul of semen. The whole soul investigation for male factor is semen analysis. What all we see in this semen analysis is the volume of the semen, the count, the motility of the sperms, the vitality of the sperms, the normal forms and the liquefaction. Any of the problems in these parameters leads to the infertility. What are the causes of the problems in semen analysis, which may be due to smoking, weight gain, the age factor, stress in the work or the job, or excessive caffeine intake, alcohol intake, diabetes, cancer, taking medications for other issues. All these may lead to the problems in the semen analysis. What exactly can be done to improve the semen quantity or the volume or the motility? We can always advise for the stress-free life, regular exercise, reducing the weight by about 5 to 10% from the baseline weight, and improving the diet intake, rich antioxidants in the diet, reduced caffeine intake, regular treatment of the diabetes, proper treatment and reduced medications for other morbidity of the males may help in improving the motility and the count in the semen analysis. How exactly we can improve through diet? It always can be done by taking organic foods, antioxidant rich foods, which should include milk and milk products like ghee, curds, buttermilk, butter, all this, and other antioxidant rich foods like fruits and vegetables, especially the colored fruits and vegetables in the diet, and taking dry fruits like pista, badam, cashew. All these have rich in antioxidant, which helps in the with regular intake in the daily food, and avoiding the processed food, sodas and packed food, and reducing the caffeine intake will always help in the improvement in the semen quantity and motility, which in fact helps in normal consumption.